There is absolutely no reason to buy those expensive flavored peppermint creamer when you can make it at home. If you are not convinced, 3 reasons why you should make it at home. You save money, easy to make, and you can make it to your own taste. It's so easy to make, it requires few ingredients. Now we will dispel the myth that making the creamer will result in a fatty, buttery curd mixture. Here in this cup of coffee, we added the heaviest cream we could find, a fat content of above 40%, and this is the result. As you can see, it's not easy to fall or get the floaty curd, so there is no reason why you should worry about making it at home. With any experiment, whether at the lab or the kitchen, you will need a testing vessel. In our case, you will need a pitcher. What we will do is fill it about a quarter of the way through with full fat milk. Very important here to pay close attention to the expiry date on the milk. Same with the cream. I will tell you why in a minute. Next, we're going to add the cream. It doesn't matter what cream you use, half and half, cooking cream, whipping cream, no sour cream obviously. The cheapest cream you can find. The most important thing is the fat content. I recommend using less than 20% fat. The quantity of cream added is about 16-ounce can, which is about half a liter. Finally, we're going to add a teaspoon of peppermint extract. I know what you're thinking. Where can I find a peppermint extract? It's actually very easy to find and readily available in specialist baking and sweet making shops. If there is no baking or sweet shops in your area, you can definitely find offers online. Remember, with cooking, you can always add, but you cannot remove. It's very important that you check the flavor and make sure that it is to your liking. Mine wasn't, so I added some more peppermint flavor, a teaspoon at a time. Mix it all in. We are ready now to test before storage. Get your cup of coffee. By the way, you can use this creamer with hot or cold coffee. Add the peppermint creamer. See how there is no fat solid formed? Now we are ready to bottle for storage. You can use any jar you have that will make it easy to pour your creamer, even finished creamer bottles. Make sure you wash them well before filling. I have this bottle that I will use to pour the creamer. And remember to label it with the expiration date of the item. For example, if you use the milk that will expire in a week, your creamer is only good for a week. Even open bottles of cream or milk usually have a policy of use within 1 week. Follow the manufacturer guidelines. And that's how you make a tasty peppermint creamer for your coffee. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the video with your friends who add creamer to their coffee. I will see you in the next video.